Spollies on the 31st of October, and I've got Thor with me. One of our Banjo Boy Lesbian Gem Pups is coming up to 9 months old. This month he's been doing some work in the boxes, and I'll get Stephen to put him through, but just to give you a quick heads up, he's probably been the most challenging one for us so far at the litter with the boxes. He's been very scared, stubborn, scared. So we'll just see how he goes today, make sure it's okay. But let's put it this way, at this point in time it's not his favourite place to be, but that's okay. He's only a baby, he's just going to come up to 9 months, so in fact he's even going to, so Steven's just going to put him in. I'll come down there. Come on, good boy, good boy. It's okay, come on, it's okay. It's okay. Come on, good boy. It's okay, come here, come here. Come on, it's okay. Good boy. So he's just going to get Stephen all open and just let him come down there.
Good boy.
Good boy, Thor. Come on, good boy. It's okay.
Go on.
Good boy. Yeah, good boy, good boy. So we just want to get his head right down low so he can jump out. Nice, there, he's got it. Good job, Thor, good boy. So, yes, lots of patience, and we will persevere, and I'm sure he'll be fine. Lots of dogs don't like being in small spaces, especially he's probably the biggest one out of the litter as well, so for him it's an even smaller space. So all good, other than a little bit of more work needed, which is no problem at our end. And next month we head off to the bull ring. We'll get some pictures and send this out.